Hello friends, myself Bhavika Patel, lecturer in Vallabhbudhi Polytechnic. Now my topic is bus organization of microprocessor subject. Now what is bus? It is a group of conducting wires which carries address only. There are three types of buses: address bus, data bus and control bus. Here is a block diagram of bus organization of 8085. The 8-bit 8085 CPU or microprocessing unit communicates with the other units using a 16-bit address bus, an 8-bit data bus and a control bus. Now here there are three types. First is address bus. What is address bus? Address bus is unidirectional mode. It consists of 16 address lines A0 to A15. It operates in unidirectional mode. The address bits are always sent from the microprocessor to peripheral devices in one direction, not reverse. Microprocessor uses the address bus to perform first function, identifying a peripheral or a memory location. 16 address lines are capable of addressing a total of 260, equal to 65,536 memory locations. When the 8085 wants to access a peripheral or a memory location, it places the 16-bit address on the address bus and then sends the appropriate control signals. Data bus. It consists of 8 data lines from D0 to D7. It operates in bidirectional mode. The data bits are sent from the microprocessor to peripheral devices as well as from the peripheral devices to the microprocessor. The microprocessor uses the data bus to perform second functions, transfer binary information, data and instruction. Now control bus. It comprised a various signal lines that carry synchronization signal. The microprocessor uses such line to perform third function, provide timing or synchronization signal, means control signal. So it will perform or control both address bus and data bus transmission. Now functions performed by 8085 microprocessor. First is memory read, memory write, input output read and input output write. Here memory read. Microprocessor reads data from memory. In memory write, microprocessor will writes data into memory. Input output read. A microprocessor accepts data from input device, and in input output write, microprocessor sends data to input output device. Okay, thank you.